In this last episode of our Kuala Lumpur series, we'll be spending 24 hours eating breakfast and lunch in some of the few hot spots in KL. In between, we'll visit Chow Kit Market to get a cup of cold sugarcane juice, and we shall end the day with authentic Pakistani food. Come join us in this KL food tour. Mornings like this are good for bagels and coffee, and we heard that it might get busy even in the morning. So we're gonna see how's the crowd like and whether we could get our hands on those bagels. Power of social media itself, you can easily amass a large group of fan base and followers, and we are here at 10 AM and there's already a queue forming right over there, and there's a special valet service if you come in with your vehicle. So the average waiting time is about 30 minutes to 40 minutes if you want to dine in, but since we are not a fan of queuing, we're just gonna take away and probably about tunggu for 10 minutes. What is specialty about this place is bagels, and if I'm not wrong, they also sells other pastries and cakes as well.
Boleh tunggu semuanya. Your mic dah ready.
I'll just take away. Okay, so we get the lox bagel.
Classic lox.
Yes, that's one with salmon inside, right?
Yes.
Okay, and then which one do you want?
Cheese butter.
One cheese butter. Okay, and maybe one plain bagel.
One plain bagel. Anything else?
Does the bagel comes with cream cheese or jam? Okay, then maybe how much is it for one?
Price over here.
Okay, I'm just gonna get the plain cream cheese only. That's all. Thank you. Can pay by cash?
Cash, you have.
So we are waiting just in front of this two massive air cooler, and it's a nice gesture actually to have this over here while waiting.
We just left grumpy bagels.
The texture is more of a bread bagel,
Soft bagel.
soft bagel. Reminds me of Japanese style. If it's not shaped and formed into like a round bread with a hole in the middle, you can easily pass off as biasa.
Brush.
As a brioche should be more buttery. So I'm just gonna finish this while waiting for the rain. And then
You wanna try?
oh yeah, you can, sorry.
I like it that the oreganos makes it kind of premium. With toasted bread, a bagel. It looks like bread. That's why. You have onions. You have, is it sour?
Sweet. Sweet sauce.
Try. Anything burger, anything sandwich, it's nice.
So this is how soft it is. If you're a fan of soft bagel, then you'll probably like this plate. So the only slight disappointment was they didn't toast it before they serve it. So I like toasted bagels. So we're gonna try this. Bismillah.
This is plain bagel.
Like roti lah. So if you're a fan of bagels, leave a comment below and describe which sort would you like, the chewy, crispy one or the soft kind.
Pakai ayam goreng boleh? Ayam goreng peha punya. Boleh? Okay. Kuah. Okay, saya kubis sikit. Okay. Thank you.
Right after the Grumpy Bagels, kita serempak lah kedai kat corner sini. It's just opposite Fahrenheit dengan another mall at the side. Nampak biryani sedap. It's in fact sizzling right now, so there's a nice narrow space for customers to sit. And what a good place to order a cup of teh tarik. You'll never get bored of biryani kan? Sebab and their version is the basah-basah kind, served with ayam goreng, telur dengan kubis.
When we walked past by, we saw this medium-sized hut. Actually, it reminds me of those biryani at KUALA Market in Singapore.
And the place of this food eating place is called SFS. Banyak tulang
Tak. Ini tak banyak. Yang banyak tulang kan
Ikan tenggiri.
ikan susu.
ikan susu.
Dia macam ikan terubuk, banyak tulang.
Terubuk lah.
Kalau yang ni sampai siakap tu normal tulang biasa. Tapi kalau susu dia macam terubuk.
Apa ikan susu?
Tu. Dia memang banyak tulang. Dia
Tapi
bakar
sedap.
dengan asam
Sedap.
pedas.
Daging lemak kan?
Jadi kalau ikan patin ni goreng pun boleh lah kan?
Boleh. Yang paling top ni ikan patin ni masak tempoyak lah.
Ya.
Dia memang dia nombor satu lah kalau masak tempoyak.
Tempoyak memang power punya.
Kalau yang Pahang punya tu sekilo RM25 sekarang. Ikan patin Pahang tu RM25 sekilo.
Tapi kalau ikan patin ni dia air tawar ke air laut? Air tawar.
Air tawar.
Mata nak try makan. Tak nak try makan. Sana macam makan claypot.
Masa kalau pergi Pahang nak makan ikan patin, kena tengok dulu harga dia berapa.
Tadi cik cakap apa? Kalau 1 kilo RM20.
Tak, ini RM27.
Oh.
Kalau ya patin Pahang tu yang tangkar tu kan, itu RM25 sekarang. Dulu RM18.
Okey.
Sebab dia pemakanan dia tu naik harga.
Yang mahal lagi
Itu patin muncung paling mahal dia. Patin muncung RM300 lebih sekilo.
Ikan patin macam-macam jenis tau.
Ya?
Ikan patin macam-macam kan jenis.
Dia patin buah, patin daun, patin buah, patin muncung, patin biasa ni.
Jarang. Okey, kita tengok dulu.
Ya, pusing.
Terima kasih cik.
Okey. Ada. Berapa?
Ni ikan apa cik?
Ikan kembung.
Ikan kembung. Okey. Habis yang ini ikan?
Yang mana?
Yang ini.
Ni tongkol.
Tongkol.
Ikan selam.
Ikan selah.
So if you make a nasi lemak, selah will be good to deep fry. And over here it's selling 1 kilo for RM10. While ikan tongkol 1 kilo RM6. Basically get all the daging, the ikan all over here. Lidah. Okay, so this is the tongue. That's the babat. I was looking for mangga harum manis sebenarnya. I got this one inside here for 800 gram. So he gave me this for RM5. So this is good to eat today lah. And the last time I was here, oh ada ayam.
Chicken fresh. Yes. Chicken. Order to slaughter. Sembelih satu kalau nak. Tak boleh bawa korban ah. Jangan kalau okay. How much one bottle? 5. Okay, one bottle bang. Sejuk ya? Sejuk.
Ya, sudah kan?
Ada gula ni eh?
Boleh tak ada? Oh, tidak.
So we share the sugar cane. Feels like we need one more. This time we got an ikat. Ice, sejuk. Minum pun sedap. So yeah, so if you want to find sugar cane, fresh sugar cane,
It's just in front Safwan Plaza. Let me show you. Just in front Safwan Plaza. Like the
very clean taste.
the clean taste. It has already been mixed with sugar, so it's the sweetness, the infused together with the fresh mint leaf. It's just a nice combination to drink even on a hot day like this.
We got the tea again. It's quite rich. You can see that they usually use fresh milk.
And behind me is where they prep the rogani naan and the cheese naan. So if you see closer, what they did was 2 pieces of dough for the cheese naan, put a layer of thick cheese on it, and then another layer of dough. And he used his fingers to press the sides together to make sure that the cheese doesn't escape. And then he rolled it one more time to release all the air possibly, and also to expand out the size of the dough before he puts it on a flat pan. Saw that he added a bit of oil after about 2 minutes in. The rogani naan, it was cooked in a tandoor, a big tandoor, and that doesn't require oil. So you can actually taste the crispiness, the sesame seed, and it's a good bread to eat with different dipping that they comes with, that you can order with, like achari, chicken karahi and all that.
Got our chicken karahi, achari karahi here. It's quite a big portion there. And our hero here, oh, honey naan and cheese paratha. Thank you, bro.
So after he takes it out from the big tandoor, based on the glaze over here, I think he spread out a generous layer of butter or ghee. It smells like popcorn. So we're gonna try it with chari. It's really good. It's crispy, buttery on the exterior.
It's like a premium bread.
And you can put this on display in a bakery and they would sell.
Sour sauce.
I'm just eating the naan first without any gravy on it, so you can taste whether the mountain of cheese just now live up to its name and the flavor. Bismillah. Ni boleh makan sarapan tengah hari malam. We're going to makan all this first as much as we can, and then the rest kalau tak habis bungkus. See you in the next food video.